Hello, I am Aniket Kalode and we are alumni of Sydenham Institute of Management. In this video, we are going to look at the CAP rounds which are conducted for MBA CET 2020 by DT. Okay, we have been getting a lot of queries from the students that how are the CAP rounds conducted and what is the process for it. So we are trying to explain it to you in the most easiest fashion. Okay, so what would happen? So सबसे पहला प्रोसेस होगा, फर्स्ट थिंग वुड बी ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन. Okay, so online registration you do it on DTE website. Okay, the same website where you have got your result. So on that website you have to register. It is a very simple form. You have to fill in your details, your true details, your 10th score, 12th score, graduation score. You have to upload some documents, photo, signature, and it is very much similar to the form which you have filled for MBA CET. After online registration, then you have to visit a facilitation center for document verification. For document verification, you visit a facilitation center. Okay, in the facilitation center, what do? You take your all documents. If you have, your 10th, 12th, graduation, all mark sheets, your date of birth proof, your category proof, if you belong to any particular category, then income certificate. What all is required? A list will be provided to you that these are all the documents which you have to take to the document verification centers. The list of the documents will be provided when you finish your online registration. You take those documents with you and then go visit for document verification at facilitation center. Then after that, DTE releases provisional merit list. Okay, so this is a provisional merit list. If you have any discrepancy, if you feel that your rank is not correct or your score is not updated correctly, then you can challenge it and you can apply for change. Okay, the 2-3 days window is given for it. You can apply for a change and that provisional merit list will be updated. What do you get in provisional merit list? State merit number, state general merit number, not your category, state general merit number and all India merit number. Okay, now if you don't have any issue with the merit list, then you directly apply. You don't have to do anything. If you have any issue, then you have to apply. A 2-3 days window is given for that, and after that a final merit list is provided. Final merit list is provided. Again, this also has state general merit number and all India merit number. Okay, there can be no changes in this final merit list. This is final. You will have to accept it and move forward. Okay, next they will provide you seat matrix for individual colleges. So what is provided in this seat matrix? So which college has how many seats and this particular category has how many seats. So let us say Sydenham. So Sydenham has, let us say, 84 seats for general category, 18 seats for OBC category, 12 seats. I am just taking examples. So the seat matrix is provided for individual college. Each college will get the seat matrix accordingly. Okay. After this final merit list and seat matrix, you can predict in which college you will get. You can predict you will go in which college. ठीक है. इसके बाद CAP round 1. What is CAP? CAP is common admission process. CAP round 1. So this is form filling. Okay, option form filling. Okay, what all options do you have? Option form filling. So you go into CAP round 1, you fill options. Let us say you fill 3 options. Option 1 JB, option 2 Sydenham MMS, and option 3 Sydenham PGDM, and four options. If you let us say fill, you go for Wellinger. Okay, you go for Wellinger. ठीक है. Now these are the four options which you have chosen. ठीक है. Now what would happen? Seventh thing would be cap round 1 का रिजल्ट आएगा. Cap round 1 का रिजल्ट आएगा. So cap round 1 result. So what would happen in such case? If you are getting a college, then they will show, let us say you are getting into Wellinger. So they will show that you have got into Wellinger, and if you want to confirm the admission and whatever the process is. So the result shows whether you have got the college or you have not got the college. So then there are three cases. If you have got the college, and if you have not got the college. So if you have not got the college, तो फिर तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. You are eligible for cap round 2. है ना? If you have not got the college, then you are directly eligible for cap round 2. ठीक है? But if you have got the college, then there are two cases. Either you are happy with your college or you are not happy. Okay, you are aiming something high. Let us say you get into Wellinger, but you feel that in cap round 2, I may get into Sydenham. Okay, if you get into Sydenham and in cap round 2, you feel that I may get into JBIMS. So what you do, you fill the, you want to go for cap round 2. Then you go to ARC center. You go to ARC center. What is this? Admission Receipt Center or Admission Reporting Center. ARC center. Okay. Again, I am telling you, after cap round 1, you have to visit the ARC center if you have got the college. है ना? अगर कॉलेज मिला ही नहीं है तो फिर घर पे बैठो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. बट इफ यू हैव गॉट द कॉलेज, देन यू हैव टू गो टू ARC सेंटर. इफ यू आर हैप्पी विथ योर कॉलेज, you select the option freeze. If you are not happy with your college, you select the option float. है ना? So once you freeze the college, फिर आपको वो कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना पड़ेगा. You are not eligible for cap round 2. Okay, you are not eligible for cap round 2. And if you select the float option, then you are eligible for cap round 2. Simple सी बात है. ठीक है? After this cap round, if you are going into cap round 2, तो फिर cap round 2 में again they will provide you seat matrix for cap round 2. Okay. Why are they? In cap round 1, some students will take the admission. Now there will be few vacant seats. Those vacant seats, उसका seat matrix will be provided for cap round 2. Now after cap round 2, you fill again cap round 2 option form filling. Option form filling. Okay. So now you can make the changes in the option form. Okay. So first again you apply for JBMS. Second you apply for Sydenham PGDM. Third you apply for Wellinger. And then fourth you apply for SIES. Then fifth you apply for Kumba. If you want to add or delete any college, you can do that in cap round 2. Then after that, in cap round 2, cap round 2's result would be declared. Cap round 2's result would be declared. Again, 12th process would be you go to ARC center for freeze. If you are happy with your college, then you freeze it. And if you are not happy with your college, then you select the option of float to get into cap round 3. To get into cap round 3, you select the option float. Okay. Now again the same process in cap round 3. So 11, 12, whatever. So cap round 3 option form filling. Then cap round 3 result. And here, if you get the college, this is your final college. This college will be automatically freezed. Okay, this college would be automatically freeze. You don't have any option to float here. Okay, this is your final college. If you don't get any college in cap round 3, then cap round 4 is conducted. Cap round 4 is conducted. Now, cap round 4 is for government aided institutes. It is for government aided institutes or university departments. So what you have to do, you have to visit the individual college. Visit the individual college, and if seats are available, ask for admission. Okay, this is the process in cap round 4. Now cap round 4 is very risky. I mean, many of the good colleges, they won't have seats available in cap round 4. Okay, so cap round 4, I mean, we generally don't go there. I hope you have understood this. Okay, now as I am telling you, this video is recorded on 27th of May 2020. Okay, the process of DTE admission process for MBA has not been declared yet. Okay, if there are any changes in it, we will definitely update it. So what we have told you in this video, this was the process last year and it is expected to be the same this year. Only 2 changes might be somewhere here. Once where you have to visit facilitation center, and second when we have to visit ARC center. Okay. Now, due to the situation, COVID situation, it may so happen that they make certain changes, but then rest of all the process should remain the same. Okay, if there are any changes in it, we will definitely update it to you. Okay, if you still have any doubts, you can visit our website or call us on the provided numbers. Okay, thank you so much.